The phone has display of 16.55 centimeters, 6.5-inch, HD plus 50 LCD Infinity V-Cut display and 90Hz screen refresh rate. 720 by 1600 pixels resolution and 269 ppi. The phone also has HD plus resolution. It has 48MP plus 5MP plus 2MP plus 2MP quad camera setup, f2.0. It has main camera plus, f2.2, ultra-wide camera plus 2MP, f2.4, and depth camera, 2.4. Macro camera, f2.2, and 16mm color. It comes with 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. Expandable memory up to 1TB and it supports dual standby. It runs on Android 11 and V11.0 operating system. It is powered by 8nm power-efficient Exynos 850 and octa-core. It also features camera 48MP plus 5MP plus 2MP plus 2MP,